All right, guys, so your next option is a sixth grade guidebook. So when you think about this, you're not going to be writing an entire book unless you really have the time and want to do that. You're thinking more of just kind of a snapshot or a page out of like a guidebook. I'm going to show you some examples of what that might look like, okay? So think about some skills that you acquired in sixth grade or maybe sharpened. This could be academic, so maybe that you really did really well with your math facts or learned something new there. Or it could be more kind of our social side, so maybe you learned how to open your locker really well, or you became the king or queen of the Gaga ball pit, like something like that, right? But just some skills that you acquired in sixth grade. And now think about the people that are going to be in your place next year, the fifth graders that are coming in. How could you give them just a visual of how they can master that skill as well, right? Because you are now the expert in that. What could you pass on to them and help them kind of become successful in sixth grade? So think about maybe one or two skills you want to show them and then make something to show them what that would look like, okay? So if you look down here, we have an example of what guidebooks could look like. And this is what that document looks like. Now, this one is really blurry. I know it's hard to read, but it's the picture or kind of the idea I want you to see. So this one is about a type of architecture. And you can see here they have some blurbs, some things written up about it. I can see here that they have some vocab words that are bold, and I know it's a little blurry, but I think it's cool too that they also included some pictures around it, and then just some labels or different things that they learned, right? So it's almost like those books that sometimes we looked at in class together, just kind of something that you would find in the library that like teaches you, or I know I have some on my bookshelf if you're in my class, but just like a how-to or a guidebook on something, just a quick overview to teach somebody a skill that you learned, okay? This one's much more clear. This one's about how to access a type of online library, and you can read this one better, but you can see it has like tips to get started, and it shows a picture too of like what they need. Now for you, you can make this look however you want. You can do it digitally. Google Docs is a wonderful tool because up here, there's all sorts of tools up here, right, where you can insert things and change the format and change the layout. Also, if you go to just Google Docs, you can see here up top, there's different things that are already made for you. So you can see, like, obviously you probably don't do like a lesson plan, but like this one has some different options for you, and down here too, this will show you what's recent in yours, but you can find different ways for you to set up yours, okay? And there's a template gallery right here, so you can find different formats or different things to make your guidebook, okay? So again, if we look at the examples, the idea is just kind of a quick overview on some skills that a fifth grader could pick up next year when they're in your spot and go, okay, cool, I know how to open my locker now. Just something helpful to leave behind as you're getting ready to make your transition into seventh grade, okay? So this can be done digitally, or you could also do it in your ISN, but I think digital might have tools that'll help you more. Please communicate to your teacher how you chose to do this and let us know if you need any help.